Well, Nikki, Vodafone shareholders have woken up this morning to find another big proposed dividend payment from Verizon Wireless. This is the joint venture they have in the US. What does it all mean?
Well, it means that something over $3 billion is coming Vodafone's way. Vodafone has no say over when Verizon Wireless, in which it owns 45%, declares dividends. And there's been much speculation because of the possible talks that might be going on between Vodafone and Verizon Communications, which is Verizon Wireless's US parent, that dividends might be off the table for a while. Now, they're very obviously not. It's been declared and it will be coming next month.
But as you say, it does sit against the background of these possible discussions between Verizon Communications and Vodafone over Verizon Wireless. Where does it leave those talks, do you think? I guess there's a lot of rumours around.
There have been a lot of people beating the drum, trying to sort of suggest that a deal was very imminent, but that's always looked a little suspect. There's not a huge amount of pressure on Vodafone to do anything very quickly. There's absolutely no secret that Verizon Communications would like to buy out Vodafone. But from Vodafone's point of view, it's less clear that that's an attractive option. Much has been made of its potential. The stake would be worth over $100 billion, which is an awful lot of money. It's quite a nice asset. In fact, it's a very nice asset. And there is the complicating factor, which has been much discussed, of the tax bill that Vodafone would face on if it sold that stake. Now, various people claim to see ways around that. But it's all very complicated, and I think a lot of the analysis has really just been overexcited and suggests it'll come to a head very quickly, when in fact it's a difficult long-term decision.
Well, the one certainty we have is that $3 billion will be coming Vodafone's way. What do you think Vodafone will do with this extra cash that it will have?
Well, that's an interesting question. In the past, when they've had Verizon dividends, they've tended to give part of it back to investors. It's less clear that they will do that this time, partly because if they always do that, people will try and game the timing of the payments and so on and so forth. They have a stock buyback programme underway already, and although their balance sheet is presentable, it wouldn't hurt to have some more cash on it.
Well, it's always a nice situation to be in, to have more rather than less cash. Nikki, thanks very much.